at Coach Park by the river. Yeah, just chilling out here in this lovely afternoon. Yeah. So
We are with the ducks.
you were?
We are with the ducks.
Okay, so keep going. Then we are just going to, oh, look at those ducks right there. Yeah,
They look cute.
it's so good to hear that water, right? It's quite relaxing.
Remember to look down below in our icon.
What, Amira?
Remember to look down below in our icon.
For what? Alright, let's go, keep going. Go that way. And some duckies right there.
Welcome.
No, that's a geese. That's geese, right? Alright. And our afternoon walking.
And we saw some
Oh yeah. Yes, garbage, right? This is within downtown Guelph. No, downtown Cambridge. Yeah. So, did any fish? Oh no. Let's keep going. Our afternoon walk. And those geese, they are resting. Oh, this is quite nice flowers. Are you going back, Riker? Alright. Okay. There's some birds, some ducks. Oh. Is that babies? Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, what? Amira, there. There's a big bird right over there. What is that? Right there?
Mama, they're near.
What is that, Vincent?
Mama, they're near to me.
Yeah. We're closer to Amira. We're going to sit there for a while. It's windy. It's not hot today. Okay, Amira, say it to our subscribers. Alright, see you next. Come here. See you on our next video. Bye.